are here today to do puja for Ganesha. You must remain silent, listen to the priest, do what the priest tells you to do, and if you start talking like this, nothing will enter your head. Parents, please also maintain silence. Children, maintain silence, please. Please, please, please. No talking at all. Please, no talking. No talking. I hear a lot of noise here in the back. I hear a lot of noise here in the back. Hello, young man. Sit properly, please. Keep your book, keep your plate on this bag. Puja plate. Nice boy. No talking. You don't have a bag? Huh? He has this thing. He has the book and all that. Only the bag. Hello? No talking, no talking, no talking, no talking. No talking, please. Okay, now you say Shri Mahavallabha Ganapati ki. Well, loudly, loudly, loudly. Ganesha will hear you otherwise. Om Shri Mahavallabha Ganapati ki. Even louder. Shri Mahavallabha Ganapati ki. I heard you more than him. Okay. Stop talking. Please. Please stop talking. Please. Do you understand the meaning of please? Yes. So please now everybody, do you have your plate ready? Yeah? You have the Ganesha looking at you? The flowers? The akshata? What is the akshata? The yellow rice, huh? Or we're going to call akshata means that cannot be broken. So it's an entirety that we offer. Okay? Stop talking. If you have a burning question, please raise your hand. Okay? Does everybody have a pencil, Ganesha, and the puja samagri? What is your question? Why are you raising your hand? Yes? Parents also, we're requesting you to please stay silent. Yeah. Does everybody have? Yes? Puja samagri, plate, Ganesha, the photo, and the flowers. Yeah? Very good. Thank you so much for cooperating. Are we ready, Uma? 3 o'clock? 2 more minutes? Okay. Can we sing a small bhajan? You want to sing a bhajan until we're ready? Okay. Collectively. Ganesha Rupa. Okay? Just instill that Rupa in your heart and in your minds. And then when the priest is ready, we'll open our eyes and then we can offer the puja, right? You close your eyes, sit up straight, we just have a minute and a half. So please sit up straight, join your hands. Hello, the third row there, no talking. Hello. If you now do the puja, okay? So please sit up straight. What did I tell you? Join your hands. Join your hands. When you go for karate and this and that and everything, you need some discipline, right? This is puja. You need more discipline here. Just sit up straight, please. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Think of Ganesha. You just took darshan. Yeah? Close your eyes. Just imagine the form of Ganesha. Just imagine the form of Ganesha. Just imagine, okay? And then Ganesha form will come into within your heart and your minds, and then we can pray. Repeat after the priest. Louder.
Prasanna Vadanam Jayet Sarva Vighna Upasantaye Mama Upata Samasta Durita Shayatvara Shri Parameswara Vidyartham Tadeva Lagnam Sudinam Tadeva Tarabat Chandrabalam Tadeva Vidyabalam Daivabalam Tadeva Lakshmi Pate Gauri Pate Vani Pate Angri Yugam Smarami Karishya Manasya Karmanaha Nirvikhnena Pari Samaptyartham Adav Mahaganapati Puja Karishye. Om Ahasakte Namaha Murapakirte Namaha Aj Namaha Adikurmaya Namaha Anantaya Namaha Padmaya Namaha Om Ganapatyasana Namaha Om Gam Ganapati Murtaye Namaha Om Gananantva Ganapatikum Avamahe Kavim Kabhinam Pavasra Astamam Ajam Brahmanam ब्रह्मणस्पदान शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् मंत्राన్ని रिपीट वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्व कार्येषु सर्वदा రెండు అక్షరాలు अस्मिन् बिंबे श्री महागणपतिं ध्यायामि महागणपतिं आवाहयामि महागणपते आसनं समर्पयामि पाद्यं समर्पयामि अर्घ्यं समर्पयामि आचमनीयं समर्पयामि मधुपर्कं समर्पयामि स्नानं समर्पयामि आचमनीयं समर्पयामि वस्त्रं समर्पयामि यज्ञोपवीतम् अक्षतान् समर्पयामि आभरणम् अक्षतान् समर्पयामि दिव्य परिमल गंधं समर्पयामि कुंकुमं समर्पयामि अक्षतान् समर्पयामि पुष्पैः पूजयामि ओम सुमुखा नमः ओम एकदंताय नमः ओम कपिलः ओम गजकर्णकाय नमः ओम लंबोदराय नमः ओम विकटाय नमः ओम विघ्नराजाय नमः ओम विनायकाय नमः ओम धूमकेतवे नमः ओम भालचंद्राय नमः ओम गजाननाय नमः ओम वक्रतुंडाय नमः ओम शूर्पकर्णाय नमः ओम हेरंबाय नमः ओम स्कंद पूर्वजाय नमः ओम श्री महावल्लभ गणपतये नमः नानाविध मल परिमल पत्र पुष्पाणि अक्षतान् समर्पयामि ॐ धूरसि धूर्वधूर्वन्तं धूर्वतयोः धूर्वतितं धूर्वजं वजं धूर्वामः। ॐ साज्यं त्रिवत्ति संयुक्तं वह्निना योजितं मया दीपं त्रैलोक्यतिमिरापहं। मंत्रान् रिपीट। महागणपतये नमः। धूपदीपं समर्पयामि। अक्षतानि समर्पयामि। गुरवे सर्व लोकानां भिषजे भव रोगिणां निधये सर्व विद्यानां श्री दक्षिणा मूर्तये नमः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननं अगर्निशं अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तम् उपास्महे। गजाननं भूत गणाधि सेवितं कपित्त जम्बूफल सारभक्षितं उमासुतं शोक विनाश कारणं नमामि। विघ्नेश्वर पादपंकजं गजाननाय विद्महे गजमुखाय धीमहि तन्नो गणपति प्रचोदयात्। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिः वाजिनीवती धीनाम वित्रियवतु। श्रीवाक् देवतायै नमः। महा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि। सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सरस्वती देव्यै नमः। मम विद्या विषये दुर्बुद्धि निवारण सद्बुद्धि प्राप्त्यर्थं श्री महागणपति प्रसाद सिद्ध्यर्थं वाक्पटुत्व सिद्ध्यर्थं सरस्वती कटाक्ष प्राप्त्यर्थं महागणपतये नमः। प्रार्थनान् समर्पयामि।
Mahavallabha Ganapati and Saraswati. So the priest actually asked to say it along with them. It's very nice. Normally you say it a few times. So you said the whole prayer entirely, and so they asked for blessings from Ganesha and Saraswati, who are what? Relevant for everything that's connected with knowledge, education, right? And discipline. So can you please ask those who want to have fun and joke and giggle and laugh? If you do not want to sit here, don't be forced to you. But please maintain some discipline. I see some kids, just twisting and turning and just getting out of posture. That's not right. You're disturbing the kid next to you. So please try to focus. You see how many photographs and cameras are going around? This is being live televised. So everybody all over the world is watching you. Is this what you're going to represent yourselves for? Or should we really say we belong to the Hindu community and we're very disciplined children, right? So please show some discipline and sit straight. This is only for half an hour, then you can go off and jump and play. No giggling, no laughing. When he's praying, and don't take so much rice in your hand and pour it like that. Take a few grains in your hand and just offer it to God nicely. Not just pouring it like that. Okay? Okay, now get ready to write in your books. I know school started already. But every year, I tell you to take this book, right? After you write it, put it on your desk in your puja room or in your study room, which will bring you lots of plus, and you'll get very good grades in school. Okay? Say a special prayer in your own mind. Praying to Ganesha. Can you hear me in the back? Yes, in the mic. Can you hear me in the back? Yeah? So did you just realize that you're being televised? Live television. They're watching you in India, Germany, all over the world. So please maintain some silence and discipline, okay? Anybody that is very uncomfortable, cannot sit straight, please, I'm asking you, you can leave. No giggling, no laughing, okay? Ganesha is watching you. Alright, get ready. Everybody has a pencil? And the older kids, can you please help the younger child next to you if they cannot write? Okay? After you finish writing, just help out. But that doesn't mean you start talking. Absolutely no talking. Who's talking? Unless you stop talking, we cannot start. Children, second row, please stop talking. Take the pencil. Ready? Okay. Everybody knows Om? O.
Maha.
Om, M. M for mantra. So write down Om. Are you done with Om? Okay. Then the next word, Maha. M for mantra again. A for Anjaneya. H for Hari. A for Anjaneya again. Maha. Vallabha. V for victory or Vijay. A for Anjaneya. L for Lakshmi. L for Lakshmi again. A for Anjaneya. Yeah? Am I going fast? In the back. Are you alright? B for Bhaskar. H for Hari. A for Anjaneya. Maha Vallabha is one word. Are you helping the little kids around you, next to you? Yes? Everybody got it? At the back. I cannot hear you, did you? Yes? Om Maha Vallabha. I'm going to spell now. Yeah. Ganapataye. G for Ganesha. A for Anjaneya. N for Nandi. Yeah? E for Ishwar or elephant. Where's your book, sweetheart? You're writing from it? How far are we? Anybody paying attention? Yeah? G-A. Huh? G-A, N for Nandi, A for Anjaneya, P for Parvati, A for Anjaneya again, T for Tulasi, A for Anjaneya, Y for yellow, E for elephant or Ishwar. Ganapataye. Did you get it in the back, all of you? You got it? Om Maha Vallabha. It's one word. Maha Vallabha. Ganapataye. You got it? Are you all there? Ganapataye. Anybody's catching up? Oh. Namaha. Namaha means I prostrate before you, okay? Namaha. N like Nandi, A like Anjaneya, M like Maruti, A like Anjaneya, H like Hari, A like Anjaneya again. Namaha. Did you all get it? Om Maha Vallabha Ganapataye Namaha. Can you say it? No, all together, Om Maha Vallabha Ganapataye Namaha. Repeat it. Om Maha Vallabha Ganapataye Namaha. Write it. Next line. Always after Ganesha, you have to also offer your prayers to Saraswati, Devi Saraswati.
Om Saraswati Devi Namaha. Om Saraswati
Devi Namaha. I'll spell it for you. Om, everybody knows the spelling for Om. Here, no fighting there. Hello? Shh. Om. O-M. M like Maruti. Om. Saraswati. S. S for Saraswati. A like Anjaneya. R like Rama. A like Anjaneya again. S like Saraswati. W like, everybody knows that, right? Like what? Wonderful. Okay. So you have to be wonderful children today. Yeah. Saraswati. W-A. A like Anjaneya. T like Tulasi. I like India. Om Saraswati Devye Namaha. Devye. D like Devi. E like elephant. V like Vijay. Y like yellow. E like elephant. Devye. Namaha. You spelled it already with Mahavallabha. Om Saraswati Devye Namaha. N like Nandi, A like Anjaneya, M like Maruti, A like Anjaneya, H like Hari, A like Anjaneya. Namaha. Are you done? No talking until we finish the puja. No talking in between. Are you all done? Repeat after the priest 3 times.
the Saraswati mantra.
Repeat mantras. Om Maha Vallabha Ganapataye Namaha. Om Maha Vallabha Ganapataye Namaha. Om Maha Vallabha Ganapataye Namaha. Om Saraswati Devyai Namaha. Om Saraswati Devyai Namaha. Om Saraswati Devyai Namaha.
So the priest will offer arati to the main Ganapati here. So you just join your hands and watch, okay? And then we'll have the little episode of songs and poetry. I can only take 6 kids maximum, okay? So raise your hands and be seated wherever you are. We'll come and get you, okay? Please give the younger kids a chance. Please just finish offering the Naivedyam to Ganesha. Any puja you do, you have to offer the Naivedya and then you take it as prasada.
Panchamukhadipam darshana.
Just wherever you're sitting, take the arati, please. Very good. Everybody's still awake, right? Okay, now just raise your hands. Everybody not from the front row. Please, volunteers, help me to pick somebody from the back also. Then we'll come to the front. 2 from the back. Yeah, just line them up there. No talking now. If you talk, I will stop this session. Yeah? Give the kids a chance, okay? Please, children, have some respect for your friends. I'm coming there, just line them up. Please. Okay, this is careful, don't step on the things.
Now if you maintain silence, okay, come quickly, everybody gets only 10 seconds. No, only one from the back, not the, you come. That's it, you must be kids now already. Okay. Now pay attention, the kids who are online, please. Hello? Did we forget the rules? No. So please stay silent. Please. These kids are waiting all year to please show off. Okay? So please be patient. Be a good audience. Now children, you listen. You have only 20 seconds. You have to say your name and then tell us what you're going to sing a song, say a poem, or whatever you're going to say a story. This way, so they can see. Can you hear me, kids? Hello? Please stop talking. Please, we haven't finished the puja, please, we cannot start. You're wasting everybody's time. If you don't, we can finish soon and in an organized fashion. This is Vajreshwari, I think one of her priest daughters. She's going to sing Vel Muruga. No claps, you know that. No claps. You did no. I said no claps. Okay? Thank you very much. Vajreshwari, go back to your place. This is Akshata. How old are you? She's 4 years of age and she's going to sing Bhurva Sava.
Om Bhurva Swaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurva Swaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yona Prachodayat.
Very good. Okay. That was nice for 4 years, right?
My name is Ankit and I will sing Ganesha Kumara Palima from Muthuswami Dictionary. Ganesha Kumara Palima, Ganesha Kumara Palima, Gajamukha Ganesha Kumara Palima, Gajamukha Ganesha Kumara Manohata Siddhita Gajamukha Ganesha, Gajamukha Ganesha Kumara Pahima.
Wonderful, wonderful, Ankit. You should be an inspiration for other kids to learn Carnatic music.
I'm going to sing over Mudakara. Mudakarata modakam shada vibhum tishadalam galataramagam
Sorry to interrupt you, only 20 seconds. Sorry about that. Next time, okay? You can sit in front of Ganesha and sing the whole song. Because we have one more session. Sorry about that. Say your name loud and tell them what you're going to sing.
History and I'm going to sing first. Shakti Sahita Ganapatim Shankarati Vitam Vidak Tasakala Munivara Sura Raja Vinuta Guru Guram Bhatta Niposhatam Bhavasutam Vinayakam Pati Mukti Pradam Bhushitabam Jantapadam Bhujam Bhavayami.
Children, if you feel that you're only singing one chant and one phrase, after we finish all the sessions, you can sit in front of Ganesha and sing the whole song, right? When do we all get together? If you really can sing, we'll have a bhajan session for all the kids. With your permission, I think we should have all the kids sing bhajan. I know. Just one, last one. 1 second, because we're done. Both together. Only 20 seconds, one children.
Gauri Nandana Gajanana Gauri Nandana Gajanana Gauri Nandana Gajanana Gauri Nandana Gajanana Girijanandana Niranjana Girijanandana Niranjana Parvati Nandana Shubhanana Parvati Nandana Shubhanana Kahita Oma Kahita Sanna Kahita Oma Kahita Sanna Kahita Oma Kahita Sanna Kahita Oma Kahita Sanna Gauri Nandana Gajanana Gauri Nandana Gajanana
Sorry children, you have to forgive us, okay? It's a time factor. Okay? We'll all sit in front of Ganesha and sing tonight.
Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurmi Deva Sarvakaresu Sarvada.
Okay children. Okay, we just finished the Arati Naivedyam. You took the Arati, you did the puja. Now you have received the blessings. Okay? Please pipe up your Ganesha. All the akshata that you have.
respect Mahavallabha Ganapati. And no cell phone, young man. Hello, hello. No cell phone. Please. I would like for all of you to put your puja material, the plate, everything in the bag, including Ganesha in the box. Please take it home carefully. Put it in your room where you get up and study first thing. And pray your obeisance to Ganesha in the morning, and you will find the whole day will go wonderfully well. But now, once again, please, no talking. No talking, no talking, no talking, please. Okay. Priest is going to chant a blessing on all of you. Unless you keep quiet and listen to it carefully, it is going to be a waste for you. Then after that, you will all form a single line right here and go through this door, and you will get your prasadam and exit through that door. And if you choose to come back this way. Okay, parents, you will all take care of them right outside as they exit, please. Not yet, not yet. Sit, sit, sit. Okay, now.
Om Maj Medham Medham Maj Maj Medham Maj Maj Medham Maj Maj Medham Maj Medham Maj Maj Medham Medham Maj Praja Praja Maj Medham Medham Maj Praja Maj Praja Praja Maj Maj Praja Maj Maj Praja Maj Maj Praja Maj Prajam Maj Maj Prajam Prajam Maj Surya Maj Prajam Prajam Maj Surya Maj Surya Surya Maj Maj Surya Bhraja Bhraja Surya Maj Maj Surya Bhraja Surya Bhraja Bhraja Surya Surya Bhrajo Dadhatu Dadhatu Bhraja Surya Surya Bhrajo Dadhatu Bhrajo Dadhatu Dadhatu Bhrajo Bhrajo Dadhatu Dadhat Vididadhatu Maj Medham Maj Prajam Maj Agnistejo Dadhatu Maj Medham Maj Prajam Majindrajam Trijam Dadhatu Maj Medham Maj Prajam Maj Surya Bhrajo Dadhatu Aneka Vidyarthinam Vidyavishaye Ati Unnata Sarva Vidya Parangatatva Siddhirastu Shri Mahavallabha Ganapati Prasada Siddhirastu.
Children, the priest just asked for special blessings to all of you. Understood that? Okay? Very good. Now, with the same silence, I want you to keep seated. Please, let's show how good we can behave. One line, the first line, please get up. Only the first line. Only the first line. Come, go this side. This batch go this side. That batch go there. You come this way. Come. Just sit down. No, you will not get up until I tell you. Please, please. Please behave yourselves. Come on. Okay, now the second line. That side, that batch, this side. Take your prasadam outside. This way, this way. Be careful, don't step on that. Third line. Very nice. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Thank you. Thank you. Only one line now. Please be seated. It will take only 2 more minutes. If you rush, you will be pushing the other kids. Come on, from that side. Wait, they're rushing over there. Wait. You won't get your Mysore Pak prasadam. Sit down. Wait, let them clear up over there. Wait 2 minutes. Come on. This way, half this way, half that way. 2 lines.